Hello everyone, I'm Eva. I'm currently a Year 4 student studying Bachelor of Arts and Sciences in Financial Technology. Today, I'll be sharing my experience in cross-faculty learning at HKU. From the name of BASC FinTech, you may expect that we're taking courses offered by the Department of Computer Science of the Faculty of Engineering and the HKU Business School. But apart from the two faculties, we also have the opportunity to explore courses in other disciplines, for example, statistics and law. And as a key feature of the BASC programs, we have nearly half of the credits available to be taken by other free electives. This has made our program different from the other FinTech programs which only focus on the development of FinTech knowledge. With this great amount of credits, we can explore the discipline that we're interested in or beneficial to our future career path. Of course, you can also choose to spend all your credits on FinTech-related courses in order to deepen your understanding in this field. But for me, I've chosen to take a minor in psychology and Japanese language offered by the Faculty of Social Sciences and Faculty of Arts. From these courses, I'm able to meet people from various programs, not just limited to my own program from my home faculty. For example, as FinTech is under the BASC family, we have courses that join students from other 5 programs. As we take different majors and minors, we have various perspectives on the same issue during discussion. For example, in the psychology course project investigating how COVID affects our mental health, as my group consists of students from sociology, global health development, and also myself, FinTech, we're able to analyze the issues from a wider range of perspectives like global health policies, social interactions, and the use of technology in the context of COVID. Although it may seem obvious, as things has more than one side, exchanging ideas with people from different backgrounds can definitely help improve my critical thinking skills when viewing an issue.